Welcome to genotation.org. This is a basic video to show you some features, some core features of the Genotation Journal Article Viewer. The whole idea of this is to bring information to biomedical sciences researchers that's spread out all over the world directly onto a journal article that they're reading. So how can we do this? If the scientist, we allow a couple of mechanisms actually. If the scientist has a journal article in a PDF format, they can simply drag and drop it to this area and then click on the annotate file. What this does is it takes the article, goes through all the text in it, finds the gene words, gene names, other genetic terms, and then it will find information from different biomedical databases and put it all there on the interface for you to read. This sometimes take a few seconds depending on the size of the journal. So first of all, there is a reading area, the reading pane where the article is clearly visible to the user. Then there's this Genotation menu which has a few features that we will go into. So when reading the document, if you have any questions about any of the genetic terms that's included there, you can simply click on these annotations. What this shows is a menu with all the gene names and all the genetic terms that were found within the article. They are sorted by sorted in alphabetical order, and if you want to search for different genes, you can just start typing, and then it'll minimize or it'll reduce the number of entries. So for instance, CD14 gene, if you are interested in it, it has a protein product. It is involved in multiple different pathways, as well as it's implicated in different diseases. So the different pathways, you want to find out more information, let's say about this hematopoietic cell lineage pathway. Simply click on it, which will take you to the original KEGG, the pathway diagram, where you can see all the functions, all the different genes working together. The same thing is true for the protein products as well. So if you want to find out more information about this protein product, you can click on it and it will take you and give you further information about this about this protein. So the whole idea is to automatically find all the gene names, all the genetic terms in there, and then list it up here, so so the scientists can easily look at them. Let's go back and take a look at another mechanism. So another way to read an article on this journal article viewer is searching for a term. So let's say we are interested in asthma genetics. We search for it, which will actually go through and find all the results in PubMed Central, and then it will return back all the results. So let's say we are interested in this article. When we click on it, what will happen is this program will automatically download the PDF file from PubMed Central and do the same thing where it will find the gene names and annotate it. The reason we chose only PubMed Central is that was the free repository that had all the PDFs available. So once again, this article is shown in the reading pane, as well as the annotations are listed here. So if you look at this, there are much more gene names involved in this. So you can see IL4 is here, and you can see multiple different pieces of information are available for that IL4 gene. So you can simply expand and collapse and go through any of the genes that you are interested in, which will save you the time to search elsewhere. So let's say once you're done with reading this document, you want to save these annotations for later use. Simply click on this save button. You can save this document that's in this format. Instead of saving right now, I'm going to show you how it looks on a web browser. So these are all the genes that you saw earlier, and you can simply click on any of the genes that you are interested in, and you can see there's IL4, there's IL10, FOXP3. They are involved in different diseases as well as different pathways. and this actually will help you very much, where you can take a look at all the genes that are involved and look at them side by side. So when you're looking at these pieces of information, if you're interested in finding any further information about these pathways or proteins such as this, all you have to do is simply click on it, and then it will once again show you the KIG pathways or the origin of all the data that you saw. So it's as simple as this. Please take a look at this, read it, and we will be happy to get feedback from you on any possible improvements. Thank you very much.